Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in the lobby, open Fortnite and sign in. Once in, press pause and go straight to settings using the gear icon. You want the controls or controller tab next. That's where vibration lives. Make sure you pick the correct input profile, gamepad versus keyboard, because each profile has its own toggles. Once you're viewing the controller settings, scan for a line labeled vibration or controller rumble so you can change it in the next step. Now you'll find the vibration or rumble entry in the controller list. Highlight it. You should see an on/off toggle or sliders for intensity. Set them to off or 0. If there are multiple profiles, repeat for each one so the change applies across modes. Once set, press apply or accept the prompt to save. Don't just back out. Turning it off stops controller motor noise, reduces input distractions, and saves a bit of battery on wireless controllers. Save and exit settings, then join a brief match or training area to verify the controller no longer vibrates. If you still feel rumble, make sure you applied changes and restart Fortnite. Sometimes settings need a reload. Also check your console or PC system settings and the controller's firmware. Platform-level vibration can override game settings. If needed, unpair and repair the controller or test a different controller to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.